Modern technology in agriculture and forestry focuses on sustainable practice that reduce environmental impact while boosting productivity. In agriculture, precision farming, vertical farming, and organic method reduce resource use and chemical dependency. Agroforestry integrates trees into farming to enhance biodiversity and carbon storage. In forestry, sustainable practice like selective logging and forest monitoring technologies ensure resources management while protecting ecosystem. These technologies promote eco-friendly, efficient systems that help mitigate climate change and support long-term sustainability in both sectors.
Next, I will share a simple overview of how Sabah managed its crop plan under the Sabah Agriculture Blueprint from 2020 until 2030. First one is rice production. Sabah wants to produce more rice and reach 60% self-sufficiency by 2030. Areas like Kota Belud, Beaufort, Keningau, and Tambunan use better farming methods, double cropping, and high-yield rice seed to increase production. Secondly is oil palm cultivation. Oil palm is the main crop in Sabah, especially in Lahad Datu and Tawau. Many plantations follow sustainable practice like MSPO and RSPO certifications, and small farmer also get help to farm responsibility. Next is crop diversification. Sabah is also growing other crops, not just oil palm. For example, Tenom is known for coffee and fruits. Ranau grow highland vegetable and strawberry, while Keningau and Tambunan focus on maize. Last, environmental conservation. To protect nature, Sabah plan to restore 200,000 hectares of damaged land and forest. The state also wants all palm oil to be fully certified as sustainable by 2025. So Sabah is working hard to improve farming, ensure enough food, and care for the environment.
Next, in Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, grazing, land management, and pasture improvement are integral sustainable livestock farming. One notable example is Sawit Kinabalu, a state-owned enterprise that has prior castle integration within palm oil estate since 2004. They specialize in Braham cattle, known for high-quality meat, and operate a halal certificate for meat processing and slaughterhouse. They approach exemplary effective grazing land management by combining cattle farming within existing agriculture practice. Additionally, the Sabah government has introduced policy to optimize to use agriculture. In 2024, a policy are implemented allowing reserve grazing land to utilize agriculture activities such as coconut farming, subject to approval from landing trust holder. The initiative aim transform alternative lands to productive, resource derby, and changing both pasture quality and agriculture output.
What is wind energy in grain land management? Wind energy in grain land management means using eco-friendly method to improve pasture quality while protecting the environment. It helps prevent overgrazing, keep the soil healthy, and ensure enough grass for livestock. And secondly is green practice in grain land management. Here are some sustainable ways to manage grazing land. First is rational grazing. It is moving animals between different areas so grass can grow back. Secondly, planting trees in pasture. Trees provide shade for animals and protect the soil. Next is using cover crops, growing extra plants to keep the soil healthy and prevent erosion. And next one is smart irrigation, using water efficiently to prevent wastage. Next is natural fertilizer, using compost or manure instead of chemical to improve soil quality. Example in Malaysia is napier grass for livestock in Kampung Tok Lamokim, Pendang, Kedah. Farmer in Malaysia grow napier grass, a fast-growing plant that provide food for livestock. It helps prevent soil erosion and improve the land's fertility. The second one is silvopasture in Sabah, Kota Kinabalu with land Ramsar sites. For example, some farmers let animals graze under trees. This method reduces heat stress for animals, improve soil health, and lower environmental damage. This green practice helps farmers raise healthy animals, protect nature, and support long-term farming. Forestry in Sabah is a significant sector within the state's agricultural and forestry subsector. Playing a central role in both the economy and the environment, Sabah is home to vast tropical rainforests and a rich biodiversity that are critical for maintaining ecological balance. Supporting local livelihoods and providing raw material for various industries, the management of forests in Sabah is an intricate balancing act that involves sustainable practice to preserve this valuable ecosystem while also meeting economic demand. The key aspect of forestry in Sabah, we have forest type, mountain forests located in the higher elevation of the Kruger Range. These forests are characterized by cooler temperature and unique plant species. Second, forest resources, such as timber. Sabah forests are a source of high-quality timber, including species like meranti, ramin, and durian, which are in demand for both the domestic and international market. The last one is economic contribution. For ecotourism, Sabah forests attract tourists for activities like bird watching, jungle trekking, and wildlife viewing. Forest-based tourism support local businesses and create jobs.
Last but not least, sustainable agriculture and green practice are essential for ensuring food security, preserving ecosystem, and neglecting climate change by adopting responsible land management techniques such as crop management, grazing land optimization, organic soil composition, and sustainable forestry. We can improve productivity while minimizing environmental impact.